Good morning, students. Again, by using properties of definite integrals to solve some more problems. This problem properties of definite integration discuss ನೋಡ್ರಿ property number 14. Sorry, problem number 14. Show that integral from 0 to a f of x into g of x with respect to x is equal to 2 times integral from 0 to a f of x with respect to x. ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? If f and g are two functions defined by f of x value is equal to f of a minus x and g of x plus g of a minus x equal to 4. Using these two conditions to prove LHS equal to RHS. Look here. Now given f of x is equal to f of a minus x and g of x plus g of a minus x is equal to 4. Now using this, therefore g of x is equal to 4. That term goes to right side minus g of a minus x. Correct? Now let take LHS part. I is equal to integral from 0 to a f of x into g of x with respect to x. That is integral from 0 to a. F of x value is f of a minus x. What is g of x? G of x value 4 minus g of a minus x. Value substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. f of x value given f of a minus x. G of x value is 4 minus of g of a minus x. Then simplify 0 to a. Remove that bracket. F of a minus x into 4. 4 times f of a minus x minus f of a minus x into g of a minus x. That is f of a minus x into g of a minus x. Correct? With respect to x. Now split of the integral or 4 into integral from 0 to a f of a minus x with respect to x minus integral from 0 to a f of a minus x into g of a minus x with respect to x. Now to convert given data in standard form, so that by substituting take a minus x, put a minus x is equal to t. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x or with respect to t. See what happened? So derivative of a constant 0 minus derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt is equal to derivative of t with respect to t is 1. Cross multiply dx is equal to minus dt. Next corresponding the limits at x equal to lower limit 0. At x equal to lower limit 0, put x is 0, a minus 0, a. So that t value a. At x is equal to upper limit a substitute ಮಾಡಿ x equal to upper limit a minus x value a minus a 0. So that t is equal to 0. Now that is I is equal to 4 into at x is 0, t is a. At x is a, t is 0. F of a minus x is t. Dx value is minus b. Minus integral from again at x is 0, t is a. At x is a, t is 0. F of a minus x is t. G of a minus x is t into dx value minus b. That is take minus sign outside. Minus 4 into a to 0 f of t dt minus again minus into minus plus a to 0 f of t g of t dt. Right? So I is equal to 4 by using property number 1. If the limits are interchanged, the value of the integral changes its sign. Limits are interchange ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus changes to plus. Limits change 0 to a f of t dt. Again limits are interchanged. Sign changes minus 0 to a f of t g of t dt. Right? So I is equal to 4 into 0 to a. Property number 3. Integral from a to b f of x dx equal to same limits a to b f of another variable f of t dt. T is parameter instead of t we can write f of x dx by using property number 3. ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ಲ 0 to a f of x g of x into dx. Right? Now that is I is equal to 4 into integral from 0 to a f of x dx minus integral from 0 to a f of x g of x dx using equation number 1 denoted by what? I. Correct? Take minus I on left side plus I, that is I plus I is equal to 4 into integral from 0 to a f of x with respect to x. I plus I 2I is equal to 4 into integral from 0 to a f of x with respect to x. Divide by 2. I is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 into integral from 0 to a f of x with respect to x. That is RHS value. ಇದೆನಾ 2 times 0 to a f of x with respect to x. So different ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay. Next problem. Prove that integral from 0 to pi x divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x with respect to x is equal to pi square divided by 2ab. Nori, in this problem we can apply two properties of definite integrals. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, lower limit is 0, upper limit is finite value. Apply property number 4. By property x changes to or change x to property 4 pi minus x in equation 1. See what happened? I is equal to 0 to pi, x changes to pi minus x divided by a square cos square pi minus x plus b square sin square pi minus x with respect to x. That is 0 to pi minus x divided by a square. Cos of 180 minus x is minus cos x using allied angle. Its square cos square x plus b square. Sin of 180 minus x is sin x. Its square sin square x with respect to x. That is integral from 0 to pi. Now divide term by term. Pi divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x with respect to x minus integral from 0 to pi x divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x with respect to x. Right? That is I is equal to pi constant. Integral from 0 to pi 1 divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x with respect to x minus in second part integral from 0 to pi x divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x using equation 1 given data I. Right? Take minus I on left side plus I. Totally I plus I. 2I is equal to integral from 0 to pi constant, that is dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Okay, now simplify. How to reduce it? Now here pi into integral from 0 to pi 1 divided by, in the denominator take cos square x common, means divide by cos square x. See what happened? Cos square x common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a square plus b square sin square x by cos square x ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. Now that is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 by cos square secant square x divided by a square plus b square sin square by cos square is tan square x. Right? Now here you can apply one more property. What is that? As you know that integral from 0 to 2a f of x with respect to x is equal to two solutions. First solution 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. If the condition f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, if its answer is 0, if that condition is f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Now let us verify whether that result is satisfied. Condition 1 or condition 2 you have to satisfy. 2a place what is today pi ಇದೆ. Now here take f of x. What is f of x value? Secant square x divided by a square plus b square tan square x. ಹೌದಾ? Now f of 2a minus x, 2a minus x, 2a place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ pi ಇದೆ. f of pi minus x, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 2a place ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? So pi minus x, put x equal to pi minus x. See what happen? Secant square pi minus x by a square plus b square tan square pi minus x. Right? Simplify. That is secant square pi minus x. You know that using a right angle, sec of 180 minus x, t ratio remains same sec x, but 180 minus x lies in second quadrant. Sin and cosec positive, but sec is negative. Minus sec x, its square plus sec square x divided by a square plus b square. Again tan of 180 minus x is minus tan x, its square plus tan square x. So that is secant square x by a square plus b square tan square x. That is nothing but given data f of x. So f of pi minus x equal to f of x, f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. We are condition satisfied with its integral value. 2 times 0 to half of the upper limit. 2a is there, half a. 2 times 0 to half of the upper limit f of x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? pi constant as it is. 2 times 0 to half of the upper limit is pi by 2 secant square x divided by a square plus b square tan square x with respect to x. ಇದು ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂತು? by using property number 7. 7th property use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Now by substituting take tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t. Then differentiate both sides with respect to t. Derivative of tan x is secant square x with respect to t dx is equal to dt. Corresponding the limit at x equal to lower limit 0 implies t is equal to tan 0 is 0. At x is equal to upper limit pi by 2 t is equal to tan 90 degrees infinity. Okay, so left side 2i is equal to pi into 2. At x is 0 t is 0. At x is pi by 2 t is infinity. Secant square x dx value dt divided by a square plus b square t square. So divide by 2, 2 cancel. I is equal to pi into 0 to infinity. Convert given data in standard form. So how to make it as standard form? Take b square common. So that is a square by b square plus t square. Right? Now that is equal to I is equal to pi into b square constant take outside. Integral from 0 to infinity dt divided by a square by b square plus t square. You know that by using standard results there are 6 important results. It is in the form dx by, call it as capital A square plus x square. Result number 1, its integral value 1 by capital A into tan inverse of t by capital A. Capital A value a by b. Between the limit 0 to infinity 1b cancel. I is equal to pi divided by ab. Tan inverse of that b goes to numerator. bt divided by a. Between the limit 0 to infinity, that is pi upon ab. Tan inverse of, put t is equal to upper limit b into infinity. Infinity by a is infinity. Minus tan inverse of lower limit b into t. T value 0. b into 0 0. 0 by a is 0. So I is equal to pi upon ab. Tan inverse of infinity. Tan of which angle is infinity? Pi by 2. Minus tan inverse of 0 is 0. So pi into pi. pi square divided by 2 into AB, 2AB. That is the answer. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 4 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 7 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೇ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ at x equal to 0 t is 0, at x equal to pi ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ tan 1 t 0, ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎರಡು 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ pi square by 2ab. that's why apply property number 7. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 4 ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 5 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಇದು ಏನಿದೆ property 4 as well as property number 7. Okay, yes. Next problem number 16. So different agide nodi idu problem. Prove that integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x with respect to x equal to minus pi by 2 into log 2. Look here, how to solve. Let given data r is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log sin x with respect to x. Clearly lower limit is 0, upper limit is finite value. Apply property number 4. Model property 4 apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Property number 4 says x changes to upper limit minus x. In equation 1 correct ಆಗಿ careful ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನ integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x changes to upper limit minus x, pi by 2 minus x. Correct? So that is 0 to pi by 2 log of sin of 90 minus x aligned angle. If angle 90 minus x, trigonometric ratio changes from sin to cos, but 90 minus x lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. Call it as equation 2. Now add these two equations. Equation 1 plus 2 gives I plus I is equal to 2I. Integral from 0 to pi by 2. Equation 1 log sin x with respect to x plus equation 2 integral from 0 to pi by 2 log cos x with respect to x. So that is 2I is equal to rule on integration. Integral of u plus integral of v is equal to integral of u plus v. That is integral of log sin x plus integral of log cos x with respect to x. That is 0 to pi by 2. Now put sin x equal to m, cos x equal to n, log m plus log n, laws of logarithm, log m into n, sin x into cos x with respect to x. Then simplify again. 2I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into cos x using multiple angle formula. Sin 2x divided by 2 ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, because you know that sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x, multiple angle formula. Divide both sides by 2. Sin 2x divided by 2 is equal to 2 to cancel. Sin x into cos x. So that sin x cos x value log sin 2x divided by 2. Now once again apply laws of logarithm. 2I is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2. Put sin 2x equal to m, 2 is equal to n, log m upon n, log m upon n, laws of logarithm, log m, that is log sin 2x with respect to x, minus integral from 0 to pi by 2, log n, log 2 with respect to x. Right? Now in first integral, comparing this with given integral, nodri ಇದು the same ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. log ಇದೆ sin x ಇದೆ, but here sin 2x ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ sin x ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How to convert? In first integral by substituting take 2x is equal to t. Okay, then differentiate both sides with respect to t. To derivative of x with respect to t dx by dt is equal to derivative of t with respect to t1. Cross multiply dx is equal to dt divided by 2. Now corresponding the limits. At x equal to lower limit 0 implies t is equal to, put x is 0, 2 into 0 0, t value 0. At x is equal to pi by 2, t value put x equal to pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2, 2 cancel, that is pi. 2, x value pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2, 2 cancel, that is pi. So that 2I is equal to, at x is 0, t is 0, at x is pi by 2, t is pi, log sin 2x value t, dx value is dt by 2, minus second integral log 2 constant take outside, integral from 0 to pi by 2, 1 with respect to x. So that 2I is equal to, here also 2 constant, 1 by 2 into integral from 0 to pi, log sin t dt, minus log 2. Now integrate, integral of 1 with respect to x is x, between the limits 0 to pi by 2, right? So I is equal to cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by 4, correct? 2 into 4, integral from 0 to pi, log of sin t with respect to t, minus log 2, put x equal to upper limit, pi by 2 minus lower limit is 0. So I is equal to 1 by 4. In first integral, ಈಗ identify ಮಾಡಿ whether first integral is it in the form of same result, or you can write one more step by using property number 3. We can write 0 to pi log, instead of t we write x dx, ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, okay, minus pi by 2 into log 2, pi by 2 into log. ಈಗ observe ಮಾಡಿ, in first integral is it in the form of given data, log of sin x ಇದೆ, lower limit 0, okay, upper limit is pi by 2 ಇದೆ, but here upper limit is pi, again convert it, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ pi by 2 ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. How to convert? Now apply property number 7. In previous example solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, property 7 says ಏನಿದೆ, integral from 0 to 2a f of x with respect to x equal to 2 answers, 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Now here let f of x equal to given data log of sin x. Now replace f of 2a minus x, 2a place ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ pi, f of pi minus x is equal to log of sin pi minus x, that is log of sin of 180 minus 6, t ratios remain same, 180 minus x lies in second quadrant, sin and cosec are positive, here we to log sin x, that is nothing but given data f of x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, f of 2a minus x, 2a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ pi ಇದೆ, pi minus x ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ is, you know, 2 times 0 to half of the upper limit, half of the upper limit is pi by 2 log sin x dx minus pi by 2 into log 2, correct ಅಲ್ಲ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 7, okay, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, because ಇದು ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, so I is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2, integral from 0 to pi by 2 log sin x with respect to x minus pi by 2 into log, that is 1 by 2. This is nothing but given data I. ಈ standard form convert ಆಯ್ತಾ, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx value denoted by I minus pi by 2 log 2, correct? Correct ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? log sin 2x divided by 2, ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now here 2I is equal to 1 by 2 to 0 to pi log sin t dt minus log 2, integral of 1 is x between 0 to pi by 2. I is equal to 2 into 2 4, 1 by 4 into first integral minus 1 by 2 into second part minus 1 by 2 log 2, put x is upper limit pi by 2 minus 0. So 1 by 4 0 to pi log sin x dx by using property number 3 minus 1 by 2 pi by 2 into log. Now here I is equal to 1 by 4 by using first integral value, by using property number 7, its value 2 into 0 to half of the upper limit pi by 2 log sin x dx 1 that is minus 1 into pi by here 4 log 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2 integral from 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus pi by 4 log 2. So I is equal to 1 by 2 I. This is nothing but equation 1 I minus pi by 4 log 2. Now take 1 by 2 I on left side. I minus 1 by 2 I is equal to minus pi by 4 log 2. Now LCM is 2. 1 2s are 2. 2i minus 1i. 1i by 2. Correct? Minus pi by 4 log 2. Now cross multiply. I is equal to that 2 goes to here. 2 1s are 2 2s are minus pi by 2 log 2. That is the answer. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂದಿ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 4 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಂಬರ್ 7 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಲೆಂದಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ.